Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Skinceuticals Hydrating B5 Gel. This is a moisture enhancing gel enriched with vitamin B5. This is what it looks like. SKINSTORE kindly sent this over as part of PR, and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. If you're new here, my name is Nadia. I'm a licensed esthetician and I love to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing if you love product reviews. Skinceuticals describes this as an oil-free hydrating serum that replenishes moisture levels and renews radiance for a smoother complexion. You can find this at SKINSTORE.com and SKINCEUticals.com. I will link it down below for you. A 1 ounce unit retails for $90. Skinceuticals suggests that you apply 2 to 3 drops to the face, neck, and décolleté, avoiding the eye area. If using in the morning, you want to apply it after applying your Skinceuticals CE Ferulic Antioxidant Serum. She looks like this. I will link my review to this up above in case you missed it. I'm sure some will find it a little controversial. We'll see. You'll want to apply this before you apply your sunscreen, of course. You may also want to use this after retinol at night. This serum contains four ingredients for $90. We see water, a hydrator, oftentimes seen in many formulations, phenoxy, ethanol, a preservative, calcium pantothenate, and hyaluronic acid. So let's start our ingredients chat with pantothenic acid and vitamin B5. This quickly increases skin's hydration while minimizing transepidermal water loss, leaving skin feeling supple. B5 also helps to soothe and reduce redness. Sodium hyaluronate, an antioxidant, hydrates, soothes, and has anti-aging properties. It's an ingredient we have discussed here many times. Sodium hyaluronate is a salt form of hyaluronic acid, and it is more readily absorbed by the skin, allowing it to maintain water balance. Personally, I love using formulas that contain different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid, as lower molecular weight can penetrate deeper to those deeper skin layers, where higher molecular weights of hyaluronic acid deliver immediate results on that surface layer. Using hyaluronic acid with different molecular weights maximizes results. Here we just see one, which is sodium hyaluronate, the salt form, which I tend to love. I began using this on 09/09, and I didn't write my first set of notes until October 2nd. I know. I loved that this didn't include any exfoliating acids or enzymes, and it was easy to use with one of my current faves, B-Goldi Bright Drops. I will link my review to that up above because I am still loving this. B-Goldi is perfect for those who are looking for a niacinamide rich glistening drops to add to your existing routine. Really just helps me get the glow that I enjoy from Drunk Elephant's C Firma and B-Goldi without the stickiness. So during the test, this was what I was using. I love that this is a gel-based, water-based serum moisturizer. I will admit that I was quite skeptical about this considering the price point, but I do love, again, the 3 products together as part of a daytime routine. I feel like this could be a great hydrator for that thick, oily skin that experiences either dehydration, environmental dehydration. I think that this is a great moisturizer for combo normal skin, and drier skin may want to stick to a just regular moisturizer. On October 14th, I noted that this felt good, but very pricey alternative to those who do not want to apply just a basic moisturizer during the day. I felt like this kept my skin feeling balanced, hydrated, without looking or feeling like an oil slick at the end of the day. I have used a number of hydrating serums and moisturizers before B5, and this is quite possibly the most expensive of them all. I will compare it to hydrating serum since this does have a serum-like consistency and packaging. So the last hydrating serum that I reviewed here and tested was the Medik8 Hydrate B5 Intense. This is what she looks like. Stunning packaging when you compare it to this. Clinical Medik8 Hydrate B5 Intense. This retails for $72, $90. And it contains around 22 hydrating ingredients. We have multi-weight hyaluronic acid for maximum hydrating, plumping, anti-aging benefits, and it has very similar packaging. We have a dropper here with no protection. But still, this is just a hydrating acid. It's not like ascorbic acid or anything. In the last week of my test, I went ahead and used this in the same fashion that I was using this with B-Goldi, and my skin felt, if not better, but just as good throughout the entirety of the day. One of my favorite hydrating serums is Glow Recipes Plump Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. I will include a picture of that here. I do not have a unit close to me. This contains 5 different weights of hyaluronic acid that hydrate the different layers of your skin, leaving it balanced, hydrated, plumper, with a dewy appearance. I will link my review to that up above. If dewy skin isn't your jam, Glow Recipes Plump may not work out for you. Using hydrating serums as a moisturizer is a great option for those of you who just do not do well with traditional creams, moisturizers, and prefer lightweight hydrators such as these. For daytime use, maybe at night you do quite well with moisturizers, then use your moisturizers during the day, and then try a hydrating serum as your moisturizers during the day, and you'll feel good. May not feel as heavy, may not look like an oil slick at the end of the day. Overall results from using the Skinceuticals Hydrating B5 Gel: hydrated, balanced skin with no excessive dryness, irritation, redness, or flaking. This did not further congest or cause my skin to break out. This worked incredibly well with these 2 other products. The serum also worked well under different sunscreens such as the Paula's Choice Lotion, Kosas Mineral Sunscreen, and also the Peter Thomas Roth Mineral Sunscreen. I did not use this at night for this particular test, as I really wanted to try it as directed by Skinceuticals, which was use after C&E. I also used it without B-Goldi for a week to test the glow factor of C&E Ferulic, and it was lackluster, which is what I have on today. So I'm not sure if you are noticing, but my skin isn't as glowy as it normally is, except where I'm wearing highlighter. My favorite way to use this was, of course, daytime, so I would use my Josie Maran Enzyme Cleanser. I would tone with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHEB Cheap Pore Tight Toner. I will link my review to this up above in case you're interested in a hydrating, very gently exfoliating toner. I would use C&E, so I would use about 4 to 5 drops of this, 3 drops of B5, and then 3 drops of B-Goldi. And then I would go in with my Peter Thomas Roth Mineral sunscreen. For a major glow, the Kosas sunscreen was amazing, but I emptied that. I would recommend this, again, to those of you who can afford a sodium hyaluronate $90 serum. It is for those who are already at their derm's office, at their Medi Spa, who Sephora, what? Ulta, what? And you just don't shop elsewhere. If you've got $90 to burn and suffer from dehydrated skin, you can add this to cart, but $90 for sodium hyaluronate just seems excessive to me. If this is being recommended to you by your professional licensed provider, of course, pick it up. They're recommending it to you. They are treating your skin. They know what your skin needs. But are there better things out there? Of course, at a much lower price point. Pros: minimal ingredients, 4 total ingredients. This works well with other products, and it kept my skin balanced and hydrated throughout the test. My con here is, of course, the price. Rating: I feel like the high price point just did not meet my expectations. Sadly, just like the CE Ferulic Serum, I wanted this to rock my socks off before I saw the ingredients, and it just didn't. This has 4 ingredients. There are far better, superior formulas out there. Looking at you over here with better supporting ingredients at a much lower price point. While there are clients who just shop for skincare from professionals, the vast majority of consumers do not. So if you are not buying this from a professional after receiving a professional treatment using the same Skinceuticals range, I suggest you save a few dollars and add something else to cart. But if you are receiving professional Skinceuticals treatments and it is being recommended to you by a professional that has treated your skin, for sure pick this up. Rating: I'm deducting a point for the high price point, 1 for not rocking my socks off. Did this hydrate my skin? Of course. Sure. Balance my skin? Absolutely. But so did this for $18 less and with different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. And so did Glow Recipes Plum Serum for half the price. So let me know if you have used this by Skinceuticals Hydrating B5 Gel. I would love to know your results. What's your skin type? Would you recommend this to others? Do you prefer clinical over Sephora-based products? Let me know in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching and spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you found today's video informative. Hit that notification bell so that you do not miss a Sunday upload or whenever there is a brand new upload. December is coming. It is almost here. Winter is coming, so I will try to upload a lot more during the month of December. So again, thank you for spending some time with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.